What's going on, guys? So, as you can see, we have the wonderful Mavic 4 Pro. Because I am such a big YouTuber, I got the pre-release. Yeah, I wish. But regardless, let's keep this real and real short. Not something that I kind of want to go too much into, but we have Mavic 3 Pro. The wish list is the Mavic 4 Pro. It was supposed to be released the end of April. Whoop, did my camera just move? It's all right. But it was supposed to be released the end of April. Apparently it got pushed back to the beginning of May. I also heard from my friend who works at a camera store, a bigger camera store, and his DJI rep said that's not even going to happen. So who knows? People are doing all these leaked videos and talking about it because guess what? It's going to get views. I don't really want to be that YouTube guy who just talks about stuff. I mean, I guess I'm kind of doing it now, but at the same time, I also was going to touch on a couple other things. But with the tariffs, I just really hope that the Mavic 4 Pro comes out soon because I have basically $5,000 set aside for the Cine version. I'm going to end up keeping my Mavic 3 Pro and then keep the Mavic 4 Pro Cine. If they do come out with the Cine version, I hope they do, so we could have ProRes and all that good stuff. They should, I hope. I don't really know. I don't really know until the thing is dropped and we know what our options are. But I definitely do not want the Mavic 4 Pro Cine to be like $6 grand or something, because that will suck. So the tariff thing is kind of a mess. The Mavic 4 Pro, in my opinion, can't have come out at a worse time. We shall see. Hopefully it does drop in May with all this tariff stuff. And I don't even know. I don't follow politics, but I do know I don't want higher prices because that will stink. But there's this Mavic 4 Pro, and I don't know how much better it's going to be than the Mavic 3 Pro. Ideally a bigger sensor, longer flight time. Apparently it's going to have some, you know, AI stuff. I don't know. Isn't that where it is? Whatever it is, the detector, the, what is, I don't even know what it's, AI. Maybe it's not AI. But like the Flip has, it has that thing in the front, kind of like an obstacle avoidance, but not with the AI. Isn't that AI? Yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments below. I couldn't be totally off, which is very possible. I've also been dealing with stuff with my anxiety and depression kind of stuff, which stinks. Mental health is not fun when it's not in a great place. I've been doing this ketamine treatment, which I'm not going to get way into, obviously, with the drone video, but there's a lot going on, so I haven't been doing too much with the drones because the weather hasn't been great. Spring still has not completely sprung. The winds have been extremely high all the time. We have a decent day today, but we got some storms rolling in. So a lot going on, and I just wanted to touch base because I hear all these videos on the Mavic 4 Pro, and I'm hoping it does drop soon. They also released that Falcon Mini, which is a 249 sub drone or 250 sub drone at 249 grams. It's that bicopter, so there's two little props only, and it looks pretty cool. I got it at canary yellow on the Indiegogo. Aldrin from Flight Path threw a video out saying you can get it for $199 because of his video, I'm sure, because he has a good channel with a good following. That $199 package sold out quickly. They only had 100 available, which is kind of lame. 100 is a really small number for a drone that's going to be most likely pretty popular. And I got the next tier up. I figured get one and see what it's about. It looks pretty cool. And just to have a drone with two props seems pretty fun. And it's in canary yellow, so you can't lose with that. But anywho, that's the geek side. So you may want to check out that drone. I don't know when they're going to apparently ship. I think we're supposed to get them in June. So that is one thing. What else is there? So when the weather is not completely great, you got to focus, at least I do, on business stuff. So emailing people, cold calling people. I'm actually bartering with the local city where I'm at in the Chamber of Commerce, which I'm a member of, so you can become a member. I made Atort Aerials an LLC. So I'm trying to work more on my business side of things, so hopefully business will pick up and be better than it was last year. And I can justify buying a $5,000 drone because hopefully that will pay for itself in a couple jobs. I mean, I wrapped a couple jobs recently for around $1,500 each. That's not too bad, but I know these clients will have larger jobs coming up in the future, and yeah, so there's that. But you can also do things I have over here for that show. I printed up, where are you? These little guys, so I didn't spend a ton of money, but I printed up just something to hand out really quickly. Cost me $30 with my contact info, you know, just kind of some bullet points about what I do and what I can do, promotional and marketing videos, blah, blah, blah. So little things to focus on your business and making money. I printed for the beginning of the year these local calendars. So see that? So anything to promote your business, your photography, your videography, your drone stuff is going to be big. So, you know, even on social media, just making sure you do it the correct way. So focus when these bad weather days during spring or whatever it may be, during winter, you know, focus on cold calling people, reaching out to clients, doing little things like this. Not a big deal, but it takes a little energy, and hopefully you can get a few new clients. I mean, if I get 3 to 5 clients at this trade show that I'm doing next week, I bartered with the place. It's a $750 sponsorship, so I'll become a sponsor. I am a sponsor, but I'm going to give them a video in return and fly my drone indoors and just kind of put together a little marketing video for them. So I bartered with them, didn't cost me anything. I could reach a bunch of new people, you know, hand out these things to a bunch of people, have my business cards. I'll have my Mac Mini with my big 30-inch monitor, looping beautiful marketing videos that I've done for prior companies and businesses in the area and more. So there's that. I may have some prints that I can hand out and do a little giveaway, but anything you can do to promote yourself and your business is going to help during these slow times while we're waiting for Mavic 4 Pros and all that kind of stuff. I mean, really, who cares? I can make money with this drone. I could make money with my Mini 4 Pro or my Mini 2 even my Neo. So there's that. I got a Atort Lite Plus and some other drones, but you really don't need, or I really don't need, a Mavic 4 Pro right now. So who cares? Let that happen when it happens. It's not going to have as wide of a lens. Apparently, this is a 24mm lens. We have a 70 and a 164, I believe it is, or 166. I think it's 164mm for the 7x zoom. So the Mavic 4 Pro apparently is going to be a, I don't know what it is, 27mm or something. It's not going to be as wide. So this will be a great B drone, and also a drone to use the 24mm lens and have a little wider lens. And then the Mavic 4 Pro can be something for higher end jobs, ProRes, to get the best footage possible out of a drone that isn't a ton of money, like an Inspire 3, for example. And that's that. So that's kind of my thoughts on the Mavic 4 Pro, and also just some business tips, and also that little Falcon Mini bicopter. So the bicopter thing, I can put a link in the description about the Indiegogo. May want to pick one up. It looks fun. If you're a geek and you're into drones, a few $100 isn't going to break the bank. And you get a different flight experience, and it's just kind of fun. Who cares, right? It's only money. We can't take it with us. But that's it, guys. A quick little video. Keep me in your thoughts. And everyone who is dealing with anxiety or depression or mental wellness, I send some love your way. And it's not easy, because it's just not. And drones actually are great therapeutic little devices because it's fun. You can create. That always helps with me, but it's been, as I said, tough with the weather and the winds, and just nothing super pretty right now where I'm at. I will be in Hawaii probably in the beginning of June, going Big Island to check out some stuff, and there's that. So that's it, guys. Have a great weekend. It is Friday right now, and that's that. We shall cross our fingers, hoping the Mavic 4 Pro does come out soon, and we don't have to pay an arm and a leg because of these goofy tariffs. So that's it. Bye.